In this second part of the process for signing off a portfolio, I'm going to approach it as though I am the learner. So the assessor has assessed the final piece of evidence, signed it off, and now the learner needs to go in and sign off the portfolio as well. So I'll log in as the learner. It actually says there to sign off, so I can click there. And it says candidate sign off qualification. The learner just clicks that, and the portfolio from their point of view has now been signed off. That concludes their part of this process. Thank you.